Hi guys, so I'm continuing from where I left off. So this is the simple game which we created from last time, which doesn't quite work because we need to add a show. That's why, which I didn't show you guys how to do yet. So there's a show thing which you can add. Then when you press start, it will show you a little kitty cat, and we still have the move thing. And now in this video I was planning to make making obstacles easier, because we are now I'm going to show you how to make them react when they touch a colour. Say we wanted a simple kind of yard with a background colour, so I'm gonna have, that's not big enough to be our background. So guys, I'm just filling in the background. So at the moment, this is the colour of our background. We don't want it to be totally black though. We want it to be kind of a day colour, like that. There's our day colour. And we're going to have a scenery with simple shops. So we're going to have a simple scenery with shops. So the shops are going to be, they're going to be 8-bit shops, which our character is going to have to walk past, and it's going to have to shoot barrels. So we're going to, well, this is going to be kind of a maze. In fact, no, that's what it will be. Let's build a maze. Let's do a maze, yeah. So for the maze, we will need a bit bigger brush, because we're like a few little things, like a few little passages coming off. So I'm going to show you guys how to make kind of simple maze game. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make them so that when they touch the black, well, that kind of, whatever you call it, colour, it's kind of, well, yeah, well, it is initially black.
They can't get into the middle.
Yes, they can. They can get into the middle. They definitely can. So, people, how they get to the middle is they start here and go all the way around the maze to the middle,
No.
which they can't do at the moment, which means I need to change it a bit. So, there. Now they can get to the middle. I'm pretty sure all you guys would agree. Of course, yeah, I am going to make this bigger so that it does work. And then I need to add a kind of wall all around it, because we don't want them escaping our evil maze. Well, if we're evil people, I mean, if we're just nice people, just building a maze for fun. I mean, there is also the Scratch community which you can join. I have recently joined them, and yeah, they make nice games. So that's our maze. Let's zoom out. There's our nice maze. And we're going to change the size. Set size to 100. That looks okay. Yeah, that's like on the map. And these two are hidden behind it, so I didn't make them come to the front. Donk. Bink bink. Wait, what? Oh, I didn't want that as a sprite. Duplicate, put it in. Delete. Well, so sadly I accidentally did that as a sprite instead of a stage. So if we, in fact, no, we don't need to copy it. We just need to edit the first one. And then we're going to do the same thing again. Sorry, people, it was incorrect. And then I'm going to just draw our map. I like little kind of maze. Might actually do it a bit bigger. Might do it like this size. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, I don't know why. I randomly just made that tune. So this is going to be a side-scrolling game with little areas where you can get stuck. It's quite a big maze here. I should actually just take a bit of that part away because we will need to be able to get through there. Well, yeah, so we need to join those two up. So that's our simple maze. Let's just make that our simple maze. So then I'm gonna paint a new sprite, and the new sprite is going to be our little character, which is going to be just a dot. Where is that dot? That dot at the moment is in the middle, so we need to make it able to move. And I'm going to show you guys how to do the obstacles thing in a moment. So yeah, so dun 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 dun. Well, I'll stop that. Okay, I'll stop that. Yeah, so you make the move with the motion things, which is like move -10 and move 10 or something. Up arrow. Now this actually is going to be slightly different. To change Y by 10, which is, I guess, the up and down. Yeah, Y is the up and down. So now we're going to do down arrow. Down arrow, which is like that. And then I am going to make it go down, which is going to be quite easy because we just need to do -10. So now that's all our directional things. Oh, that one. Just need to hide those two. So him. Just hide him. Looks. Hide. Hide. Because those two are from last time. But this is what we're having this time. Where is he? Duh. So there's our little player, yeah? So he's at the start. And at the moment, he doesn't react when he goes through walls. So he can easily get to the centre of the maze. Which is like right here. So say you wanted a maze game where you had to get to there. Without going through the walls. Well, we need to make him move less than that, like 1. So, there. So now he moves very, very slowly around our maze. Which means he is going to be able to make it easily. But, at the moment, he could just go through all the walls right to the middle. So we need to add an if, which, as you know already, we use a lot of ifs. Yeah, we'll also need a forever around that, won't we? And then, so, well, so we're going to do if touching, which is sensing, touching colour. We're going to change the colour thing here to black, a nice black colour. Well, I'm just going to duplicate that in there, so we'll need 4 of those, and it's easier to just duplicate than to actually have to put them all in there. So, we're going to do the easiest way to stop them from moving when they touch walls is to stop script, which is this one, stop script. Stop script. Stop script, which means they can't go any further that way. So let's try a little game. So this isn't working because we need the forever somewhere else. Yeah, we need those in the when start button clicked ones. That's what we're gonna do. And then we need to do then what we need to do is, because they're that's only gonna stop that script, we need to do stop all, because well, yeah, because it's not only that little script which you want to stop, we want to stop all stuff, which is not actually really what I wanted. Which means they're going to have to restart from the beginning. It's going to be quite funny. So our player now, so they think that they can make it. Note here, it shouldn't be in forever. Yeah, people, the forever was not correct. Which is why, well, yeah, I'm removing it from all of these. So, all of these should, after this, work properly. And you can see where our little cat guy's going, wee. Well, let's start again. So, donk. I need to put the forever on. Stopping all doesn't stop you from moving. Bonk. Blank. Well, yeah, so people, the other way which we could do it, since this isn't working, we could otherwise, instead of using a touch, well, we will still need to use our touching, but instead of stop all, we're gonna do turn. And then we're going to do motions, move 10. And then, wait 1 second. Oh yeah, you want 180 rather than that. So let's go then. So now we need to copy this whole section and strap it onto the bottom of all of these. Donk. That's a nice new little feature. We could do with that here, couldn't we? Donk. And here. There, that's better. Now I got all our script in nice. Donk. Donk. Just going to do. Donk. Donk.
Oh, it's so muggy and close and stuffy.
Donk. Oh, we need to actually do yeah, we need to make it point in the direction that it's going to move. Right arrow, so right is 90. Point in direction. Left. Point in direction. Up. And then we need to make it point down. Down. So we're ready now. So let's do this then. New code applied. What?
When we go welly walking in the woods and to Molthan-Hill and I've got 2 pairs of wellies. I've got some runners.
Wait a minute. What happened?
And I've got some jewels wellies.
Oh.
They split at the side. So we do get through wellies. Okay, das ist gut then. So
Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na. It's going to take ages for the person who's supposed to be doing your maze to do it. And so that's how you basically add obstacles. So yeah, now our character will bounce back when he touches them. And if we want to add a trap, well, we already know how to do that. But if we wanted to add a trap into the stage, we'd have to edit this and add a new colour for the trap. There'd be a trap right here, and it would be like light green, let's say, like this little slime. Let's add a bunch of slime.
This one then.
Because that's in most games like this slime. Which slows you down. So, there's our slime. And that's been added right there. So, now we're going to add the, if this guy touches the slime, he gets moved back.
What, to your sea room?
Forever. Dun 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 dun.
It used to be ladies' night on a Thursday. Has that changed then?
If touching, so sensing touching colour, and then we're going to pick the colour light green. Move -10. So that's like slime that pushes you backwards. So now here it goes. So if they do actually manage to get most way through your maze, you can bounce them back with some slime. And soon I will, since we got lives, we may as well use that. Well, we'll have to make a new lives. Donk, 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 donk. He's gonna keep moving backwards whenever he touches it, which is really, really funny. Which means you can't even get through there in this version of this game. Wow, I actually managed to glitch through there. How was that possible? But if you just want to slow them down, you might want to make it like minus, so that it slows them down but doesn't stop them. Donk, bonk, 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 bonk. So now our little guy is stuck in the slime, and so if we grab him and put him inside the slime, he'll keep moving. Ding, bong, budding, bong.
I just needed to wet my cloth, but I don't know why I'm standing here when there's a bathroom around there. My head's going now.
Put him on this side now. Whee! He'd go all the way that way. So it's like a little kind of mountain. No matter which direction you climb up it, you always fall backwards. So if you want to add a harmful trap, because we're adding it to the stage this time, aren't we? So we're gonna add a let's say we'll add like a bunch of sticks, because like in some games you might just want a bunch of sticks, like stick, well, a bunch of like broken sticks on the floor with a hole.
You see a green spray bottle in there, Eric? I'll grab the other one.
And now let's fill that with.
I'll grab the other one. There's another one upstairs. Spray upstairs. Sorry, darling. You just talk.
Wait a minute. Undo, 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 undo. Undo. So we're gonna add that near the middle, which is the closest to the middle. Okay, well that just looks weird. Well, yeah, so that's basic, well, let's say that's our kind of pit trap. And then we want that to affect this guy by pulling him into it. So, we're going to change the thing to, this is going to be hard though. Yeah, we need it to be the same colour. That's the problem. You see, people, Scratch can only do some simple things. but it is the easiest way to program. So we'll just colour this pit in with black, since that's like the colour of darkness. So we'll colour it in with black. Donk, 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 donk. So at the moment I'm just spamming the fill button. Yeah, also this. Well, yeah, well, you get the idea. So at the moment, our opponent does have a slight chance of escaping, but only like a really, really small chance. There, well, there's our pit trap. So there we're going to have that when our little guy there, is touching this is going to be weird, because we've got the walls as black. Should we change the pit trap to a different colour? Because, I mean, otherwise it's going to do the same thing as the walls when you touch the pit trap, and we don't want that. No way, we do not want that. So we'll change the pit to a kind of dark grey colour. We're going to fill pot that. Okay. There's our kind of pit. So when he is touching the pit's colour, when touching colour, like the greyish colour, there hopefully, yeah, it's done that colour. So I need an if now, starts, and an forever, and if. Touching colour that. Point towards, point in direction. Well, so the easiest thing to do with pits is to check where that location is. Like, let's say the middle of our pit is 71 minus 23. 71 minus 23, 71 minus 20. I might just need to note this down because you have to memorize this. So it's 71 minus 23. So X, Y. There. So now, so when our little guy touching colour grey, go to. Here we're typing in that big number. $71 Y minus 23. There, we got this. So start. Now when we go into that thing, I'm just going to drag him over to the other side. If we stop for a moment, I'm just going to grab this little guy. If I can actually grab him. There, putting him on the other side. So now when he runs into the pit, he's going to fall right into the middle. And he can't escape. Well, I think I might end the video there because, I mean, I explained how to make a basic map and how to make you, like, avoid things and do stuff. And, I mean, that's cool if you're gonna make a 3D game, so they can like jump on top of stuff and stuff. You guys experiment with it, and if you are on the Scratch website or don't have an account yet, you can create an account easily. I did it. And if you make an account, you can please can you show me all your projects? Yeah, because that would be nice. So yeah, well, yeah, I'm just gonna save this, and then I'm gonna exit and